do not look serious on their own, but together they start to weaken the system. Because power is not just about strength, it is about balance. And when balance is lost, even strong systems become unstable. Another major sign of the turning point is the loss of honest voices around the leader. In the rise phase, smart, dangerous men often keep strong advisors close. People who think clearly, people who understand risk. But at the peak, these voices become less welcome. Why? Because truth can feel like criticism when a leader believes he is always right. So slowly, honest advisors are pushed away. Some leave on their own, some are removed, some stop speaking freely, and in their place a new group grows. A group of yes-sayers, people who agree quickly, people who avoid conflict, people who protect their position by avoiding truth. This creates a dangerous environment. Because now the leader is no longer surrounded by reality, he is surrounded by approval, and approval feels good, but it is not always correct. At the same time, pressure outside the system continues to grow. People who were once silent begin to speak. Small groups begin to connect. Old enemies begin to unite. Even former supporters may start to question what they once believed. This is important because no matter how strong control looks from the top, resistance always grows underneath it. And when pressure builds underneath, the surface cannot hold forever. In many historical cases, this is also the stage where fear becomes stronger again, but in a different way. In the rise, fear is used to gain control. At the peak, fear is used to maintain control. But at the turning point, fear becomes a reaction instead of a tool. The leader starts to fear loss, fear betrayal, fear weakness, and fear slowly changes how decisions are made. Instead of long-term thinking, decisions become defensive. Instead of building stability, focus shifts to removing threats. Even small signs of opposition can now be treated as serious danger. This often leads to harsher actions, faster punishments, stricter control, more pressure on people. But this creates a problem because pressure does not remove resistance, it often increases it. The system starts to tighten, but tightening does not always mean strengthening. Sometimes it means breaking under tension. Another key moment in the turning point is isolation. As trust decreases, the leader often becomes more isolated, not physically at first, but mentally and politically. Fewer people are allowed to speak freely. Fewer opinions are considered equal, and fewer decisions are shared. Everything starts to pass through layers of control and approval. Isolation is dangerous because it removes correction. When no one can challenge decisions, mistakes become harder to detect. And when mistakes are not corrected, they grow. At this stage, history shows a clear pattern.